Pinarning samai birta ke than pon jibang nili jidkramsa lase non birta thipi langpon sinang. Dipu crossing terang engjar kap arumlong langkapali adong kitia ceklu patang te dan leputang te. Contractor apan blacklist pikok jipu si MP morsing tisu sodak pen pacini pon. Ingnam ingnar kating kheng pen karlitang subas taru apran kedam. MP morsing tisu DM seats alongan humidam si principal mari chief superintendent Professor Dr. Sumitra Hagjurpen cingicing waipon. Raki hormu pen inut khatkati rai kom sakiri deng gachingna. Non birta puthot ang ton pen langpon sina. MLA mate Karbi Longri Council CM Dr. Tom Ronghang pen kapin khatpon ateng pinsi. Pai ni pai ingkora trok si ani MP morsing tisu pen Japan linsi. MSc board chairman engineer pen contractor atum pen Dipu lamding road anat war krong pliga selambom adimlong pen cenglok. Korsing terang engjar kap arumalong langkapali horadong kaselampom adimlong on kahridam. Korsing terang engjar kap arumalong langkapali horadong kaselampon kanglen pencet labangki. Korsing terang engjar kap arumalong stami meri hing anujok idua jok pensi. Bangsu langkapali adong kaselampon masap su kanglen dokoklo. Bon stami labangsu meri hing stami non bangki papul pon bomlo lasi. Labangsu langkapali horadong kaselam kitang terek pen ajok pensi. Masabak arwi ke jang luputang ti labangsu langkapali horadong long amat si langpabi pleng titi allo. Laso jok pen si rartum pen semi kitam kibang keceleng ji pan kisung stong pon nang koklo. Di purong speed war krong pli keselambom along engineer pen contractor atum kecelang dun pam mimide jok pen si. Long ni sai hemat hino long bangki. Langkapali horadong keselampon kipang tuyo jok pen si labangsu sai hemalong rartum kitam kibang apan kisung stong pon nang koklo. Lasil hai puthak semi prabjin pen keselampon tunang po. Lapan gelapun at crossing terang engjar kap langkapali horadong along pen semi. Non ke bang ji citia ciklu bang patang pon bek nang po. Jong si non ke bang citia ciklu patang pon peda leputang ti kontraktor apan semi blacklist semi bipon kok pu si MP morsing tisu pen sodak pen pacini pon.
Lena towa kaselam a kontraktor atum engineer tum da kechelang dunde joine ini tum kado bawe elected Karbi Longri Autonomous Council lapen board chairman Mohon Tiso alang di gay aptang da banglo lapen nominated MEC lapen conscious as citizen atuman sita me dak banglo kado we ho DC office men la dakan ni tum nang langlo lapen la beng along angden pusame office angden pusame drain bang pangtu e joine ko arluan ke gari che ponong la si engineer atum pen kado we ni tum wang da pelo ja da pelo se kodna nama ke chok sia dim nge pachok pon et na kwalam da penge CM sa Dr. Turiram Ronghang order pialo je within September ambong kado we patang et ning la service road pen chenglok drain pen chenglok kado we patang et nang pusi pulo la si la ili tum kado ba we la quality chemistry kado we pan ili tum cherok to tum nang le tum press media la pen nili tum MP MSc MLA kado ba we dak town committee la pen ke DC office pen sitame ili tum kado we chelang dun ber nang jate road ki pin nang ya adim 20 mm ni 10 mm pichot pulon de ko la sili tum ka do chelang do nang ko la pen non ta theklong lo kam e frame bom lo ta pin khata teng si la electric apo se la tu anung se kon doko ka joy ne ma si la so to war non temporary bon nang ko la he walking season na bang non September pen ke cheng kon po la within September achiklo bang ke patang edji phansi contractor phana hukum pilo lape engineer tum na hukum pilo la sela chiklo jonang bong patang edji phansi jong se patang te dalo na contractor phanta blacklisted kori de
Lakhain ko resi borjan MSc consensi ke parapon kharkati teke arong along ingnam ingnar kiludam paga jok pansi labang so ingnam ingnar phan ki plung du na hut ingnam ingnar bang men kating khenga jok pansi kupai kalang lu kalitang subastaru bang aprandam nang juido kalitang subastaru semi achor lapena spoon kan trok chi phan lapena don rapun phan chipa mode kanglo labang su birta long si khotkati rai komsai ki lapen ki bogojan khotkati ingnam rai komsai ki atumta adim klong pali dam pen si spreading pen si sai rong teng pen tempon lo Bogochen pen Gypson rongpi Karbi Longri Abirta.
Rom long lo around 7 molo khobor long ben tum bang lo lapen lada cheboy ju ya bang ke tum chini lo subhas taro kalitang subhas taro arta ningkan tikabra pho lalo lapen ga POPS ke lapen khatkati area se puri po lapen non ni tum dead body lang nam lo lapen non la postmortem process bang ge le tum la khatkati police station tum siklem pon po lapen further le tum departmental process tum non la tanai lo plutan claim pon po lapen non claim pon bom lo
Dasamet la tikerong apen bormanchi apen la bordan akwar da pusai na anbang ke la ingnar pen kai kita kisung kacitong nang dodo la pen nang letum ahin pen peni protection apan pini kematha pon sai keteng pon jason abe ma mate dolo
la puili tum department on anason ke tum pusi jo patrolling na khuri bom bom la pena hut pane un an pane tum la sono bom hai tame provide lo bon tame hut pen labs dokol te ro ki son duty apine hut bange che thak thai de te ko tame claim bom le tum provide bom la na ko further ko ili tum la rong arat pen ke charap te tu kana ko la so protection fan claim pon ji phai tum sik pon bom
Karbi Long hini district long ki dukdet ara tumbaki sige selang jia phanbang ki DMCH along phansi ninget thi dolo la si DMCH along ki dukdet ara tumphan sikelang pon jia phan ke misenji lapan sikelang pon jia phantami varsai ki duet nangji ake mang pen si pai ni phai inkora chok siani MP morsing disu MAC board chairman penchenglok Karbi Long DC atum pen si DMCH along humridam si principal lapan ki superintendent Professor Dr. Sumitra Hakjar of Hanching Chitangwai Pedopon. DMCH along Migipa met Made Fire Station Bang Kenang Sodlo Lapenki Langapali Horadong Sami Kenang Sodlo Penchenglok Kapreg Asonamung Sami Pravchin Pen Kipalong Pon Edgy Made Pachun Pon Edgy of Hansi Cyclem Pon Pupusi MP Morsing Tisopen Pachini Pon.
Dasamet pet kewang athebang he patient atum aphan la doctor atum kadove lang pamekal malang pameka ke la pen dowai doro kadove sitame doloma ve la se kadove patient beta ni di chingki cha tham lang kadove patient kadove medical college dasamet pet nona ke samna nona la ni ke pamnya fire extinguisher la pen lang problem la pen kola hai benene waste khaan la ban so ke pahin no di la ban so la ke thom ba or to non la ke ka bai do la pen la ji ke than ni kami alang itu details yang kita dari health and family welfare kita jadi apa kita ini lah ayam terdope paling mudah ya pada nanti kita panggil atau kita yang kita body
DMCH along non maki sikilang pon asap su nang may bom ason si tek pon long lo athi pinang an phai tum si silang tum sami nang bat bom lo bonda DMCH along non mat ki sung labang ki lang han lo athi lang amang labang ki manja pen si kewang bon sami manja pen kewang bom ang bong along pen sami lang kewant alang pom ki wak dak tiga jopan si pinang an DMCH along lang na kili leder tik abai patai tu pigan lo la so puthak sami DMCH along si silang atum ta pinang ki sung pen stong pon nang kok lo pusi Principal Made Superintendent Professor Dr. Sumitra Hakjar pen Pachini Pon.
The issues of the medical staff, what case you meeting was held?
It was not a planned meeting. It was an impromptu meeting. He had come to see a patient from his own constituency, but we told us about our grievances. So on one side, we are improving regarding quality. Our patients are increasing. The number of operations are also increasing. The type of operations also, very difficult operations also we are doing. Many cesareans and normal deliveries, their maternal mortality also coming down. But there are some basic needs we still need, which are number one is a biomedical waste plant, which is very essential. For anything we always need a biomedical waste plant. That's number one, we don't have it. Next one is we need a fire NOC. And the third one is the water problem, because the source of water is from Manja. Because of this distance, sometimes most of the times the pipes burst, and then we don't have the continuity of the water flowing in. So this is one problem. So we have talked with the PHE department regarding the this thing drilling in the local area. Hopefully, with sir's help, we will get it done. Thank you so much.
Regarding the restrictions of photography inside the hospital arena,
Yes,
is there any rules
yes,
stipulated from the government?
yes, it is. There is one like that.
Any provisions?
Yes, there is. But with the permission of the authority, you can do it.
Any law that we can quote?
Pardon?
Any law sections that we can quote?
Oh, that way I'll have to look up. I cannot quote right now. From memory, I cannot quote.
Because this is the very reason this issue has been raised in the court also.
Okay.
Whether a journalist can take photos or videos inside the premises of the hospital.
As far as I know, it is not there. There
We
is
can
no.
quote
That I cannot quote at the moment, but if you give me time, I can bring it out.
Karbi Longri seminon bangki angtan pen kevang ke peti sutum nangkin jum pura son taksi. Karbi Longri seminon bangki raki bihak lambang pubang pitum nang jum pura son si nang mandet lo. Lapon chot kali langsi lamki lampong seminon bangki nang jum put anpin lo. La solong raikom saki atong pan semi kedua trok toka jokpen pinangan raki bihak lambang pubang pitum ta nebing nang pon long lo. Bonta raki bihak lambang pubang pitum ta lai raikom saki tum keton klang ing chinwik tu wifi semi thangnat phere repinsi aniwang sami raki bihana klembom bang bom sonsi ang mandet lo la sonsi kedam tangani sami khotkati police station ke parlapon dudu koloni tila basti arong long sami raikom saki eto men kiri ke kruga sai ke deng dam apora hud an nampen ke dobom e dona hemalong duma thikup hom phoan long pon lo la so duma hong thikup long pen sami raki hormu sami long pon lo la pen ki ong tung raki mu sami long pon lo labang suraki mu pen ka chenang cek abang pu Zakir Hussein pusi pang thek pon lo labang suraki hormu ban ga chenang cek abang phu pan sami raikom sai ki dum ban spreading pon si sai ron teng pen klempon lo Karbi Abirta pun ki lansi kang ton panelo la si domi thami kardom